This is my Kellogg compressor. Well, actually it's two Kellogg compressors. 1940s and I think 60s, but this is a video of how loud it is. Turn the switch on here. You can hear the air dryer running in the background. dB meter. Right next to it's 97. Feet away, 68. It's actually picking up my voice. It's louder than the compressor. Very quiet machine. The compressor that's on here is actually the wrong unit. It's a 325 TV. The unit that's supposed to be on there is disassembled over here in the corner. A320A, an absolute antique, but well, antiques take time to get fixed. I guess it's been 2 months and I still don't have my connecting rods or my crankshaft back from the machine shop. Kind of ridiculous, but whatever, at least I have a spare unit. Alright.